Hey everyone, and welcome to my first craft video on this channel. So Ziggy wanted to help us kick it off. He just finished breakfast, so he keeps burping in my ear. It's fantastic. Oh, dogs, love them. So, did you know that studies have shown that crafting is actually beneficial for your health? Doing crafts sends signals to your brain that all is well, even when it's not. It's great. I want to get this one right, though. The research studies have actually shown that people suffering from PTSD, anxiety disorders, insomnia, and any level of chronic pain have achieved a reduction in symptoms by incorporating crafts into their lives. Crafting creates a situation very similar to that of meditation. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not very good about meditation. I can't clear my brain at all. There's always something going on. But crafts is something I can focus on. I'm doing something. And that actually helps clear my brain. And the reason I'm telling you all this is because it genuinely helped me when I received my MS diagnosis. I lost a lot of motor skills and other things, and I started with diamond painting and slowly worked my way up and got back into crafting that I hadn't done for years. And it really has changed my life and improved some of my abilities over time. So what I did is I'm starting a small Etsy channel with just small little craft kits that has everything in it so that people can take it and just have a relaxing little activity to do. And also, it's a great gift for other people, and it's also fun for kids. Plus, I love crafts. I love getting kits that have everything in it so I can learn something new. Then I go buy all those things and make a bunch of them, and then, you end up with a house full of crafts. But before I tell you about it, have y'all met my friend Biggin?
Hello, everybody. Y'all might have noticed I dyed my beard. Hey, how are y'all doing? Hope y'all having fun this beautiful Sunday evening. It was lovely here in Savannah. It's just awesome. I wanted to show y'all my new sign that Miss Meg made me. Isn't that just awesome? That is just, hold on. That's just awesome. That is so cool. It's three-dimensional and everything. Isn't that cool?
So in addition to crafts, I'm a huge fan of toys, especially toys that are electronic. And I never knew it, but lasers are kind of cool too. So I bought this great big huge machine that's a laser, and it cuts wood, and it's so awesome. And watch what it does. So while that's doing that, I'm going to tell you, I decided to make a sign for Biggin. And after I made the sign, I was putting together one of my craft kits, and I thought, well, I'm just going to make that sign smaller, and I'm going to make Biggin some coasters. So this is the machine making Biggin's coasters. It's actually engraving the design that I told it to, and it's cutting it out so that later we can take them and paint them and make them pretty little coasters. And basically, what I do with a lot of the stuff is I design anything I want, anything you can think of. As long as it's not super, super intricate, there has to be, a millimeter or so between the lines, you can design amazing things and put it into this laser and it will cut it out. These are some of the examples of some of the coasters that I have done in the past. And you do this on birch wood, which is an amazing wood. So on birch, you can paint it with acrylic paint. Works amazing. Chalk paint works great, but you can even do it with acrylic markers. You could do it with Sharpies. You can even color on them with colored pencils, and it holds the color very well. And then once you seal it, as long as you get a good solid seal on it, it is good to go. It's a soft wood, but it's a solid wood, and it'll last for a long time. And I have made tons of signs and other things that it's a lot of fun. So just to show you, I had worked on some coasters for Biggin, and I sent him his to do his own kit. But I did some examples to show you some of the different things. So with birch, you can stain it with just a stain. This is just a maple stain over the engraving that you saw. This, I actually, get it good. I actually did this with acrylic markers. And then I had some extra room. Oh wait, this one. This one I stained, and then I did an acrylic marker over the stain. Focus, little camera, focus. Oh, technology hates me some days. Oh, there we go. So that's just one, maybe 2 layers of white acrylic marker over top of maple stain. So I also did a couple for Mike because I had room on my wood and, I don't want to waste room. So this one is just, what is that? This is some chalk paint over just plain wood. And this is chalk paint over the maple stain. And then to give you an example, this one is, my hands are backwards. I can't figure out which one's which. This is an acrylic marker, just painted on. And then this is just a regular Sharpie. And then the white, I think, is like a chalk marker or something to make it white. So there is so much that can be done with it, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. And I just got an order today, so I'm getting ready to send it out. It's just a cute little box, and it comes with everything you need to make the craft kit. Oh, Lordy, maybe I should take a picture of this and do this later. But you get your paints, and you get your little raw wood coasters that have your designs on them, and you get your sealer. Now, the biggest thing about it is sealing them when you're doing coasters is using the right sealer. So you can use a polyacrylic or something like that, and that works. But the best thing I found, I tested them all. I had them like all on the counter, and I had all these glasses of water sitting on them because, me ain't got to do it over the top, is Mod Podge hard coat. That held it the best. The only problem with that is the moisture went underneath and it stuck the coaster to the counter. So then you got to put this little cork adhesive bottom on it, and they last forever. So that's my fun with lasers. And just to show you, for those of you who are fans of Penny and Ziggy, I got bored and I designed some little mandala design, which is crazy looking. Let me see if it'll focus on how small it is. Tiny, tiny little things that I decided I was going to color in. They look a little crazy. That's because I tried to color smaller than I could see in the kitty cat. So I have a ton of fun with my laser, and I'm able to create absolutely anything, custom designs, whatever. So if there's something that you're looking for that you want, hit me up, let me know. If you're looking for just the plain coaster designs, I've got a ton in my Etsy shop, and I'm also able to create custom ones too. So shoot me an email, let me know what you're looking for. I'd be happy to put something together for you. And like I said, if you're looking for signs or any other thing, I've got a lot of capabilities, and I'm more than happy to help. I love designing things. I love being creative in that regard. So I hope you enjoyed my fun with lasers, and we'll see what comes next.